You came around my way. You changed my whole scenery with your astonishing beauty. Oh, you couldn't make a brother sing. An ordinary thing, supernatural being. And no, you are brighter than the moon, brighter than the star. I just love the way you are. And you are my African queen, girl of my dream. You take me where I never been. You make my life go ting-a-ling-a-ling. Oh yes, you are my African queen. Ooh, girl of my dream. Say, you just remind me of one thing, and that is the African beauty. Yeah, yeah. Oh, ooh, yeah. Out of a million, you stand as one, the outstanding one. Yeah, I look into your eyes, and what I see is paradise. Oh, you captivated my soul. Now every day I want you more. How can I deny this feeling I am feeling inside? No one can ever take your place, never take your space. That's a fact I cannot erase. And no, you are brighter than the moon, brighter than the star. I just love the way you are. Oh, you are my African queen. Yeah, girl of my dreams. Say yeah, you take me where I never been. Yeah, you make my life go ting-a-ling-a-ling. Oh yes, you are my African queen. Oh yeah, girl of my dream. Say, you just remind me of one thing, and that is the African beauty. Yeah, yeah. I love you, I love you, I love you. Oh, Unyemo, I love you, I love you, I love you. You're my African queen, and I know, see I know what I am feeling in my heart and in my soul. All that I know, it is love, and I know that this your love is sent from above. You're the only one I think of. I'll give you my life, my love, my body and my money. Every other thing you think of. You know, man, who could think of anything better than you? Who could think of ever hurting you? Sacrifice my all, I will give it all to you. For you're my African queen, for real. You are my African queen. Girl of my dream. You take me where I never been. You make my life go ting-a-ling-a-ling. Oh yes, you are my African queen. Girl of my dream. You take me where I never been, and that is the African beauty. Yeah, yeah.